Not again. I don't like winter, and I don't like snow. That's the whole point of building this truck. Thanks for tuning in, and welcome back to the shop. We're going to do things a little bit differently this week, because I have to work on this. Yep, I think it was about time to do that timing belt. But that means that I don't have time to work on the truck. But that's okay, because Krista is going to build
my kitchen. About a year ago, we designed our kitchen and picked up 31 boxes from IKEA. This is going to be so fun. Bruce?
Yeah?
I think I need tools. Thanks.
I'm sure there are many of you disappointed that we are going this way for a kitchen, but let me explain some of our reasons. Building a kitchen from scratch, unless you are a cabinet maker, is not a simple task. Using prefabricated cabinets is a huge time saver. Yes, these are made from what I would call mush wood and may have a tendency to absorb moisture, but they're also standard sizes available around the world and easily replaceable if needed. Because they are straightforward to assemble, it means that I can spend some time catching up on other jobs that I need to get done without the truck falling even further behind. With all the parts being pre-finished, we don't have to worry about painting, we know all the hinges will line up properly, and we can get lots of accessory and storage pieces that are designed to fit in the cabinets once they are done.
So this is the part where the sink goes, and I have more counter on that side. And we're going to sit over here. Time for kitchen cabinet number 2. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing now. So these are sides, and the slot is the back, and then this is the bottom. It's going to go like this. Okay. So what am I doing?
Did you know there was actually a study done by a Swedish university to figure out why people often assemble flat pack furniture incorrectly? They found that either they didn't have enough patience to follow the diagrams, or they thought they knew better. Flat pack furniture was invented in 1956 by an employee at IKEA after trying to load a table into the back of a car and realizing that if the legs were removed, they fit underneath the table and the table was much easier to fit into the car. IKEA was started in 1943 and as of 2008 is the world's largest furniture company. They have over 400 stores in over 50 countries around the world. With over 12,000 products, their website gets over 2 billion visits per year, resulting in around $45 billion in sales per year.
Let's see if I can get this other side to go in the right way. Why won't these ones go in? They're in there.
IKEA uses approximately 1% of the world's commercial wood supply and are the biggest individual user of wood. No, this video is not sponsored by IKEA.
Now I can put these bits in, to hold these bits in, to hold the sidewalls on.
There are a lot of unique, ingenious little pieces that IKEA uses to make their furniture easy to assemble and strong once it is assembled. In fact, IKEA has almost 2,000 patents.
Now we have a cabinet with a bottom and sides, just need a back. Let's see if I can get this one beside the other cabinet. Ooh, there we go. Well, there's our two base cabinets that our counter will sit on. We have a 4-foot counter going on there. And we're going to put a tall cabinet on the side and some upper cabinets. It's so cold in here today. Okay, that's the bottom of the third cabinet. Now we just do another one of those and stack it on top. Okay, let's see if we can stack this on here. Kind of like that. Let's get some doors on these cabinets. Now I have to decide which way I want the door to open. It's either going to open like that or turn it this way. And then it can open this way. If my sink's here, and there's some counter here, I think I want it opening this way. So I have to find the hinges. Oh yes, these are hinges. That's what I was looking for, I think. Look, little tiny instructions. The first door is on. This is so exciting. And it works. Ooh.
Once all the cabinets are completed, we will be installing them on the IKEA feet, and I will have a few tricks up my sleeve for ensuring that the feet don't do any walking. With the lower cabinet doors going on, we will soon be able to secure them all together, get them in their final position, and start taking measurements to begin the fabrication of the bench seating going forward of the kitchen, as well as the bed support going aft of the kitchen.
Okay, let's go on an adventure in Bruce's shop. I need a screwdriver. Tools. Well, now I'm doing the upper cabinet. I don't have to work on the floor anymore.
The upper cabinets will span the area over the kitchen counter at full ceiling height. They will land on top of the tall cabinets on the aft side of the kitchen and be supported by a partial partition wall on the forward end.
I think I'm getting good at this now.
While I'm sure most people who have assembled any IKEA furniture have run into a struggle at some point, once you get the hang of their designs, things usually go quite smoothly.
There we go, second upper cabinet. This is going to be the upper cabinet above the seating area at our table. These are the last cabinets to build, and then our kitchen's done.
Done? Are you sure, Krista? I have a feeling you might want a couple more things.
Well, I guess our kitchen's not done yet. Still need a counter and a sink and a faucet and plumbing and wiring and what else? Feet.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have a lot of work still to do once these cabinets are in. Well, it looks like we have a set of kitchen cabinets, and the good news is I've managed to wrap up this timing belt job, which means I should be able to get back to building the truck. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, especially for Krista on her first round at capturing content while building things. If you've got any questions about things that we've done, post them in the comment section down below, and we'll do what we can to answer them. If you haven't already, hit subscribe because there's plenty more to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.